also welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Rod Wave here, Fight the Feeling. Alright, so a great song, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. We have 4 chords here, and we are going clean without any capo, so let's take a look at the chords. First, we have A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next is G, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have F here next, and that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the first fret over all strings, and then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And finally we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so that's the order of the chords through the entire song: A minor, G, F, and C. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We need to think pair of chords here. The strumming pattern will last over 2 chords, so we'll take a look at the transition here from A minor to G, and then you will apply the same structure there for the F to C. So let's start from the beginning. A minor, grab that chord, and we're gonna play part 1 there for A minor, and that is down, down, up, clap. So that's part 1. Down, down, up, clap. Right, and then you change chord immediately, in this case to the G, and play part 2 that is played down, down, up, clap, down, up. So play 1 down right after the last clap there in part 1, and then you have a short pause, and then comes down, up, clap, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. And as soon as you play the last up there in part 2, you go immediately back to part 1 and play down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up, and fulfill another strumming pattern. So for A minor, you're going to play part 1, then for G, part 2, and then you apply the same there for F, part 1, the same way as A minor, and then C, part 2, in the same way as G. So A minor, part 1, G part 2, F part 1, C part 2, like this. And with standard tempo, a couple of rounds, it goes like this. Alright guys, that pretty much covers Rod Wave's Fight the Feeling. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, why not help me out here? Subscribe, leave comments, good or bad. I read everything and I try to absorb what I can do better. And yeah, thumb up this tutorial if you like it. Till next time guys, play tuned.